Bwega sana kaire muridhire wa Meru TV tukwina mbere kwa watu icho kagira nyuma ya kumurika mantu makoni na mwerekera wa mugongo ara tukwaragiria mantu makoni na siasa muno tukiaria siasa china arante chia mudhara chia negro ya Kenya na mantu maingi matu ina mbere kwa tukiaragiria tu thari kuruku kagitani katu ina mbere kwa tukimurika mantu makoni na sheria ara tu watu watanete na wakili wetu Fides Kanyongi arianda in studio. Karibu sana Kairi wakili.
Asante sana.
Happy to see you this morning.
Happy to be here.
Yeah, bwega nuntu kwa na kanya kuya kengo tukianagiria na tuwera antu betu mantu mwanya makoneni na sheria.
Thank you sana. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, tuthoma mantu makoni na sheria. Na tuende tuatuika mawakili. Karibu sana. Kithe muridhiro Meru TV kengo tukiambagiria bwega.
Mugeni muraithiri wa Meru TV bitawa Fides Mwendo wa Kaunyangi bithero ndiri wakili aja Meru. Karibuni sana kiri show yetu na rwa turariria mantu ya sheria na ownership ya munda kana ugwati pa munda na rights chiaku kana haki chiaku we mwene munda kana ukazambuga gurita munda kuma kire mtu what to expect mantu tajau. Karibuni sana. I hope we'll have an interactive show.
All right, bwega sana, thank you very much. Namba chetu ideu rungura kioni yaku muridhiri wa Meru TV maybe wena kiuria kuri kile mantu makona ownership ya minda ukainambira kiuria wakili na tukiwa twina kanya kurithiri mantu amu maybe tukirekerekeria mubango wetu wakili tie twira obichi nako maybe bamwe bariganiri na abamba kuwata muntu akiendaga ena case ino ya munda kana case chiana kana case chingiteira na aromba ukwithira.
Oh yes, office yetu iri au Think Twice building. Kiri baria gani Meru Think Twice iri opposite nyombere ya twirere uchumi. Ndeu bwa Equity na bwa nyuma. Street weja eta kumira mwankana kwa Ken Silva. Ukona ni andiki Think Twice nyombeu ukaitia second floor ugatrima F Kaunyangi and Company Advocates tore au utemenya kura ukamenya kiara Think Twice iri kwina signages na ndingone kagutongeria mwanko kambithira ofisine ukaja kwithirwa tekinya mutindwa ara kirindine opposite Tigania Law Court kwina ofisi ingeo directly opposite gate ya court. Nyayo yandiki F Kaunyangi and Company Advocates wejare ugatwithira.
Alright, bwega sana. Tukiambire kwina report irari kurutumbere kinyetu tiathungia kimantu maminda irari kurutumurenya wegoro kiona nagira bora corruption yitheritwe igitia andhuruni tu Kenya ya tonga rwangirwa ukari rwangirwa askari taru atongere kimantu ma corruption. I don't know kethiro kwina sheria ireo ya gutigira ati antu bara bakuwatikana na mantu mangu kumu ibakuthukirwa matagari makigwatho. I don't know kethiro kwina sheria yomba gutigira ati ni regulate corruption ireo ithe tukionekana gandi gruni tu Kenya at least kuona mantu imaukara bwega.
Twina sheria nyingi muno na I think nguchokero ntobo maitaja mengi muno aja ujo. Kenya teti tutina shortage ya sheria. We have very many laws. Sheria nyingi na sheria njega. For example, mantu taja corruption, economic iu tuchita nande economic crimes. Kwena sheria ikwariria mantu ja economic crimes. Kwena sheria ya anti-corruption. Kwena penal code. Although penal code go mostly ite tongaira mantu ja corruption muno. Lakini thina te kwithirwa kutina sheria. Thina in my opinion ni kwithirwa kutina political goodwill. Kana inya antu baria bakwithirwa bari in charge of ku prosecute mantu jaja uretoga tirima kinyabo in one or the other buga bari implicated in a corruption like that. Nonto kenda ogwata ukathuganya corruption e borisi ure wither aria kujukia 50 shillings.
Okay.
He is not the face of that. Well, he is the face of the corruption. Lakini he is not the final boss. Becha you I hear or I understand. Chireja kwa ora bakugeta buria inyabara bethara bu military njireni bethara ba quotas chambe chire babati wikia. So you can imagine it's a whole ecosystem. Na ere na antu baraba inge bari in those positions of power batena goodwill. Kana batena incentive ya kudiria mantu jaja nontu jakaba gwata kana jagwate achore bao kana ekuru bao kana arume bao anabao. So thina ya Kenya ate kwithira tutina sheria. We have very good laws. Thina yetu kwithira tutina motisha jora jo kugeta buria area ya kuimplement sheria hizi chetu. And then the other thing, ukija na nde side ya court, ukethira is a bit too slow.
Yeah.
Ugatirima inya tuge kesi iria chiritite. By the way, we even have a specialized anti-corruption court. Jaria ndari nayo Nairobi irio ndona twina inya kesi imwe chigwita specific anti-corruption court. So te kwaga sheria, but now you find inya chia kinya court na area kwina is slow. Court chikethwa chi slow, they are understaffed.
Okay.
Judiciary like inya kesi jingi chithaga court mono to judiciary tinganitie judges na magistrates. But ithaira baingi.
Okay.
Number 2 ugeto gatirima inya rimwe kesi ni gwete ekabwa na ekathithwa, but now you find baba criminals baba gwatina manto jau akathingata investigator amu bribe. Kana wewe ugatirima wiketu nonto wa corruption ningi ukathithia corruption ukauma no. So until we reato katheria ecosystem yetu na twambirie kuringa kura tukimenya uria tukuthithia ti muntu eja kuonia mbeca ukenwi mbeca makena keneja mbeca nonto as a voter no bati guchuria mbeca iya gukunenkera ichana ugwe tuge famina sutindaga aja ngugine utindite kurita nguge ukathunkuma ukanoga ungi wita mndene thai mbuga nguge cha kibaruga ja gutinda mndene mbeca ingana mbuga magana jana ja tano between 3 na 500 mbuga depending na narea uri no tindite kurita nguge njumu very hard work owe into kwiriko muntu jo utindite kurita nguge uyo mio ukuri wa magana jana omba kuona tuginya ngiria gukunenkera yotheri
ationekana
so kunenkera mbeca ciotherire inaritite
kaiji karuthite guntu
na inyake ja kwithirwo ti wathithitie na kumenya atonya akona avenue guchokia mbeca iu na airetie mainda so ria tugatiga gukenwa makena keneja mbeca twambirie kuthikira antu bara bakweja kibatwi ukathikira agenda yawe na uria kuthithia no kamutega what kind of a person is he reu nande irio Kenya kabwa irio toka nonto inyoga change tuge mubunge omwe kana MCA omwe kana na system no area bagatonya kwera batirimanto bara beku bareta bethire kanywe ikamwaki gakwaria kagite buria so gutemeanya.
All right, wega sana, thank you very much nonto bwa gwikira gatu yekire mantu makwena minda kwikiuria I think twone tu last time na tutaga na guchoki kiuria ki kiuritwe mataririte tu kwina igamba rimwe gwawetete igamba ria karitema lakini auritie imianka igana igamba remunda ribatiri kwewe kithira yani kubatiri kwewe igamba iri tibatiri kuruki maybe mianka ina
kutethera kisheria kutethera kuri na a specific kana in my understanding gote a specific na nyomeria duration iria kesi ya munde bati kuthiria lakini you see kwena factors nyingi muno iria ti affectaga kesi gukara court muno number 1 gukwira understaffing ya judiciary so weta court narua ukathithia mention ukaewa mention kaire February 2026
okay
nonto manto nuzengi na anto ibaba inge na staff magistrate kana judge batekungana so umetoka court na arwe August tuge bugwetete kenda bwa wantariki ya kuthikirwa bukeja wakili uri onge kana uri onge ethirwa na wakili ntukwe wethirwa ateku kana tuge ntukwe gweta court magistrate ateku kana inyawengwa no ajetwa temenya kuendelea na kesi ekuntu kweu kana mtu nakwite kana gintu jakeu so waye wantariki inge ukathuganyo kae warujo kana next week kana next month probably ugaikwa taitore August anto bakwambiria kwa I know for a fact in criminal cases anto bakwambiria kwa dates chiri as far as February of 2026
February 2026
yes
okay
so you can imagine sometimes mantujaja da ya kesi ikwethira ureta court narwa August uchoke kaire February bwete bwethire buteredi buchoke kaire butumwe kaire buchoke tuge March kana April bukiuga bugu certify matter ready for hearing ya next year April August ntuko ya hearing bweje bwero magistrate ateku kana in the course of kuthithia case yeje one of you dies case ambe kiririe bu substitute mtoria kwetha kwena factors nyingi muno sometimes it's hard to tell how it goes lakini kwetha the ways you can mitigate cha gutuma case yaku itangaraka so number 1 wetawa trima magistrate kana judge uria bit strict na timelines akabwira burekira maratasi jenu ujo ndabwantu kwingana nojo wethira kuthithio wethira tathithio mantu jau jatethikirwe court na jatethwa jari admissible ntukuna bweje bugite buria so if both parties are cooperative no buthirie case maybe 2-3 years.
2-3 years. Okay.
But sometimes non-to-boa factors tayo. Like undahwera, I think the last time I was here in Dimension, itekwe kesi ya mbererie mukuru mwene mndajou ambererie ku complain about mtu we mdenejo awe before I was born.
Yeah.
In fact, kwe baruga ndaonere aandikite on my actual date of birth.
Ntuwele wachiara wa.
Ntuwele ndachiara wa. Niyo aandikite baruga kiri registra na uage complainaga kwe mtu ratonya mdenejo awe. Na nte mwana nkinyetie miaka 30 na ndakurukia. So you can imagine I dispute miaka hiyo yonde kana kagachiaro bado bo complainaga gakeja kweja gukugambira.
Kwa kugambira ekesi.
Yes.
Wow.
So sometimes it happens like that.
All right. Bwega. Remunda wina thina tuge munda no kugambirwa. Mundu uyu nutumikaga, mundu uyu nwabati uchutumira.
It dependaga again most of nyomera chetu it dependaga na circumstances.
Okay.
So nwita ukethira mndajura bukugambira mtu umwe wenu nakite kuna gukaraku.
Okay.
So utemenya gwita court na ria wira court kwa orders ati mndajura gatumirwa joka ikuare. Teo?
Okay, yeah.
So ekija kwithira mnda mtu akite na gukaraku the protocol kana inya orders irio ka seek are a bit different tugeja tugi studio teje ugotea uriongia tio imnda tujuri mawa kana jogitabura so in that circumstance no wite okera court ukagita mtu kinyaku sometimes again depending na uria coward documents chiaku na orders irio kwithira gisikaga sometimes ichieja allowed lakini ne variaga kethirige uguntu uti mtu gutura kui guntu gakure mabugita court no eja ne odeka kwa mnda jojo gakinywa jukarimirwa jugakomborithanwa jukathithirwa transfer jukendwa jukaria ujotere kesi thire jugito ijo au lakini ria mtu akite ku kana ria mtu agukara ku utemenya kugaga agatonya kwa wete unandi
All right. Yeah. Na wetukara uko umuntu uyu nwe ena kisheria akia gutumira abantu akinya bawe nukuambirwa nwa limeku nwa
to kwawe menya wita ukauga mbuga bukaromba order ya status quo status quo ikuga uria kuri gukario u
all right bwega kwangerekana kwina ndeto mboni ngatheti nirie tukurutha ngatheti wetwikaga kwina munda umwe na ara Karen wethiritwe wakili agiforge will wakili kama tumika kama mbakwa baitumikaga kinyabo kutema muntu akichi yake
of course
untutobo kaumera na hata muntu ambakurutha
number 1 nkwenda umenya watu ni mtu ni mtu watu ni watu na anto barikuba kaliba sampuli mbalimbali kwe mtu tama na weto trima wakili wina tama otemenya ku wakili bonde benatama of course they are very honest ones out here kwe bo na bo very dishonest benatama bakuthithia mantu tajau ukaja ku realize wakili wako agu kuthukia jaginto jakiu aga forge tugeja will kana bamuibetenya bakathithia ni mwechi kuthukia interest ya clients bao there is always a mechanism ya complain LSK Law Society of Kenya ni there in Advocates Complaints Commission I think no we talk a complain now no ukagitaburia no ga evidence yaku now then you follow that process
okay we sana me na antura ni kuthetera kwina kesi no mbingi muno cha magambo kethira muntu na kuthetera munda maybe mianka nambi kizino che kudetera minda no chirudo antu batu abete ata baba girege magamba mama ni nanturani kwebo bana nkanetwe no idhirwe kizino no idhirwe nantu baba nanturani maybe kinyama machibu lemon kwa to kwira na kwa machibu no ntu bakesi cheminda machibu chibu kizino no idhirwe na kanwa kinya idhire kote kengo magamba mama mamba gutwika mesa sawa.
So katiba yetu article 159 ni itekaire gintu kita alternative dispute resolution. Alternative dispute resolution ni yaumba kuthiria gamba in other ways outside court.
Okay.
In some cases you can ni dependaga na ina rimwe no itaja na rabwa tigania rimwe court ni nenkaira njuri ncheke nyomere aije bakerwa ibadhirie dispute especially nokona kwe miundere ari ya anto bago claim ni ancestral land miunda badhithetie traditional dispute resolution mechanisms kedera jabara bare atigani beje mantuja umono anga munda jura ringiro ndenge anga munda jo ikwa kithirine or something like that mantuja na mantuja tradition so sometimes even enkaira njuri ikathithia the only nyomere kwithira both parties ibabati ku acknowledge na ku accept kweta anda nyomere njuri so no iteka gitaburia so if both parties very willing no it can happen
kogu wetwika muntu omwe atigwetige na njuri orongerete na gwetige nio in that case na takumba
with a court
bukathi court.
Yes.
All right, wega sana nkona mezinjiga no nao tukaina mbere kwa tuichiriregiria but before that kwina minda no kuweta minda eno ya gutiganira minda eno ya eno ya gutiro uyu mundu uyu watigana ukawa mundu to no family mundu uyu watigana kwe bantu ikinya okethira rimwe mundu uyu watigana ndu bakuga rimwe no bange kwendia no kaithira kureta thina imbingi sana minda eno ya gutiganira muntu nombe kumendia na igotwika muntu no aombe kumendia process no weno eno tumagirwa neno ikana eno ya kawaida kwende mwendo no.
So uwe jamuguri ririo ukugura munda of course no bati kumenya kethira ijwa untiganiro kisheria tumita succession so ukaeta ukathithia search ukamenya munda jojo ri mwene no tuge iyo ni fees kaunyangi ngukwenderia munda
Yes.
atirima munda jo andikiri tuge my father akaunyangi ontonabea so okeja wamburia munda jojo andikiri kaunyangi ontonabea na wewe atita kaunyangi ontonabea ara kaunyangi ontonabea gakwira my father aiko we na kwire so kiuria kirio batio muri ibo thitangite giku ibutete bwa thithia succession antu bathithete succession na bena administrator process ya kwendia munda tethero ayo mitu bureja bwandikanire kawaida agreement and then bugite buria bweto subdivide munda ura kempomba kwira antu ukagura munda jote thithiritwe succession no kwana warikana papa ba uju aitawa kirima munda jura eka 1000 Nairobi jura jo achokere menya antu betaga mtu ugetoka irua ugatonga munda jo mtu kwete wote batethithie succession for whatever reason ukagura riria abantu bara bakeja kuthithia succession intobira probably you will lose it nonto utonga gintu kia mtu kwete kitethithie succession bwega it doesn't end well for you so now kwenda ukigura munda jau entiganiro ukamenya ibathitangite giku no kona tiba kwira yito thitangite giku go to court body court ri ku thitangite wete au registry ucha court bere ntegere ni case number na kana estate mtu gwito una nona irio ukerwa ibaga gitabura ikinyite ku ben administrator also find out non turimo weto kethira ben administrator lakini nyaba ubendene na u ibakuruira kamunda karia kwa kugari ndaye arete ugwe so find out kethaje na mateta
all right boy kagita kainge no thagira muntu agutotoro bwake muko maybe tuye mukuru agukua na akwite ora okethira maybe atirandikite will na atandikite will ora okethira na rainana baingi maybe okethira na rainana baraithikene bamwe kuye muji kwina mwe kurunge untu na mwe kurunge untu kizi teno bumemdoraga tana maybe kiruga ibo into bibi injiri kubutumagira gutigira at least gutire kwena ndoa ndeni ya family ino gatiga maybe mujiurongi na mujiurongi
nande manto ja inheritance no gai ja guided ni itawa Law of Succession Act na ni thero ireo na ni ina provisions for example jo uga mtu dakwoti na will ke sheria irawa gukore intestate ukakuwa intestate as a man bataraira into vya personal property that is nguchi yaku thimwe ku your personal computer into bila bitaragwa bibia ku personal na nja yenu matrimonial home bitaragwa bibia mwekuroku like the legally ure mwekuroku ure au nja and then into ibi ubinge ibigana gwanande so whether awe na mwana orinja na mwana oriome sheria gutwa kiuno mugongo bonde iba mukururia so au nio bakagitaburia ibona something of course kuketha kwena bitterness na magamba na bi so in most cases they end up in court lakini court make sure as long as you can prove ogwe mwana mukuruju uteti waome utina something kurubaba banabo anaba bangina bana baba kwena we have a very controversial provision ya Law of Succession Act section 35 ni karaje kae kwa lao kurubara kuona something out of nyomera so what courts usually do bataraga nande bajuka ya family units you mwekurubu onjana na bawe mwekurubu oreo membuga na bawe so bajuka ya omwekuru na bawe bareo family units so when they start to subdivide bagatara mwekuru na bawe so as a family unit bakanenkerwa something bara nabo as a family unit bakanenkerwa something
kwa maybe tugomba kubonaga kintu kinene kire bara wange kwa unit mba kuekiona kintu kingi nkurukia unit rengi
sometimes ne depend again ne dependaga nonto otomba kwethirwa unit na anto 7 bomba kuona the same thing na unit na anto bairi
kinya wewe neno rari na mukuru yo apasi wengu amujindeni
again mwekuru urari nja menya kona tuge matrimonial home na personal property cha mukuru lakini kedri miunda kedri shares kedri mbecha bank kedri imantu tajau koti chigera ya kugania equitably na ndauga equitably ntiroga equally kwena mwanya onto no wete ogatirima mwekuru umwe aina ana bawe bathiritie kuthoma na they iba andiki they are a bit well off unge ena twana ninde to skuru buga be ile to primary kana junior now tuge be primary kana junior secondary kana we bado ibatigerie gukura aja gwa kuthoma ibakaita jimbecha bakagitaburia so sometimes courts need they put some of these things into account niongo kwera equitably bakageria kuba tio banenkera binga nene ibatega inya needs che barabatigi so if ukaja kwera you don't have so much need na baba ngibe na nyomera sometimes court negatabura for that reason lakini again most of these things chetana ya case by case basis depend atuna circumstances cha nyomera lakini generally that is how it goes
all right bwega sana katika sana njembe wetu matwari uga tena arante chitimbeni bwega kauga ali ndeni mubango ndimo tukabuke baadaye bwega imatunko ithaga matu na intejete mbine adugari ndeni bwega sana anuntu bwa mubango Nicholas aduga kinyawe ari ndeni na arante chankubwa asante sana Nicholas kweno yote ugano ari agari ya wakili atire muntu no alukiri munda wake insurance like what do you mean kudhukire munda insurance like
unless tinga biria andete ku or something maybe
lakini utiomba ko nonto nani ntikwara
munda munda jungwa I don't think kivetu I don't think so tinga imera
no anga clarify okay alimanisha lakini ngwete bia ndete mtu no alukire
you can depend na insurance irana ndio ga approach na nyomerere bakagitabura
in case maybe bia umaukarewa
bia uma kana bia thukuimbura muno you know
all right bwega sana hi Meru TV love the show niko ndani asante sana inoyatu no kumana lakini riuga anaraithite mubango na kauri atirire wakili kwina guntu kuria kumwe kwithagirwa kwina mandu ta marogi muno kethira muna nukugambirwa lakini wina marogi urikana mundu uyu utikaringithwe imbinu iriku gutumagira gutigira ati bukuthiria kesi ino munda wina marogi ntika orethira instance maybe munda ukuthitangirwa munda uthi kugambira munda lakini ukerwo mundu uyu maybe no murogi utibatiri wona wagambira mundu uyu ukawa tondu mbuga in other words kakurekani bukuthuka urogire bukugambira minda or something.
I think manzo ja marogi na ayo mambo mengine ya ushirikina jaringanaga mbuga na belief cha mtu.
Okay.
Ontu kwe mtu gahwira gutegi into jorogi. I don't believe in that na butegi taburea. Are allowed their opinion. Kwe mtu onge mbuga netikanite na marogi na naujakira weja amenya kesi we na marogi akwira I wish you all the best. Good luck. Inyoke jakwira no murite mbecha akwira wata. Akwira. So I think chia kinyana we dependaga na who is the person you are dealing with.
Urako handle.
Urako handle mtu uri akarimenya akure anto be ni mianya. Inyore atombi. Kwe anto ba uga otege into jakewa najipiga kifua anaendelea na kazi. Kwe mtu ukauga we ndirona bungeja bo kandireigwa bungeja bo ama naogopa for whatever reason akwira we hapa baure. All the best lakini I'm not comfortable. So ne uko karago.
All right, bwega sana. Oyo riti mantu makonenie na group properties riti rira muntu ena kana rira gikundi kina into na ikabanga kwathukana na umwe wa gikundi akabanga kuura na into bibi athitanga waku na igamberere raitha wata kaganiro sena anteche mitungu.
By in this case into imunda kana
property
munda tuge munda nyumba
into property group property
ugate sinikot tuna ndipo batyo muthitanga kana
ndana kathingato.
Yes. So what you do ni dependaga na ninto ibi na uria bietete. So no wetoga trima kwina both the criminal element ya manto jau na tugeja na civil element. Criminal element tugeja ajoketia mbecha chege kundi akaurachio. So yute kuthitanga kwa polisi bukathithia criminal ni mbere akathingato either by kagwato na stealing kana obtaining akathithia kesi iria akithiria naria na bubuka no bwetenya na kote jingi kenda choki intobira nandi.
All right, kengo bitumika kire group ibwega sana. Thank you very much. Oyongiruga Halo Meru TV salimikeni sana ndani studio. Uliza wakili iki nontu bachetha yale uliatere wakili iki nontu bochethagira antu akiri akanenkanira ngerekano nothi ukanenkanira igamba kire wakili akwira gashurika rigakara wetwikaga nao kuthiurukia iki nontu brother watera wagu gatwigwikana kwina antu thimu ta chiri ugu twigwikana kwina antu bakarenga nkona kwina thimu mbingi muno aba Meru TV. Hello Meru TV abare arukire
mzuri sana
no reko tukwari no kuma nako
nimbe to amere ndi uri atere ya ta tombe ki otata ka tore antu ba ke ya to karata wa serious mbondi to karata wa batala isera dirika kinya metongo agwe na metongo
sawa tukamenya bwa siri kareta ngona yagu we turere yako kwa wakili areri kino ntu bochethagira ntu akili wakili why this.
I think answer ampumba gukwa can be twofold.
Yes.
Number one, maybe wetere oratrima a dishonest person. Akajukia kesi yaku. Akeja tuginyaga file case akonwa nure ongi aka compromised for whatever reason akakudhukiria case. That can happen.
Okay.
Lakini in my experience mostly what happens and most clients batendo kwira client akeja ofisine umwitie mbesi nganona akose kuleta pesa kana arete tokai.
Okay.
And then menya nguge as much as ndere ofisini in as much as nafaa nikusaidie mi pia yangu ni biashara.
Yeah, true.
Okay? Is a business. Ngutethia na nintithethie tutethanirio wau. So ukikuja pale kwa ofisi yangu ngakwira kesi hizi yeku tugerenda ngiri igana irenda ngiri magana jairi. Ulie sana menye ntiona kana gukariojo kana gukariojo. Wakili akwira okay eta chwambe cha kwamberia. Weta mbuga ukejo karugura file na ngiri 10 ngiri 15. Utireta mbecha ingi. Wakili afanye kazi yako mbecha iri ithirire yangu. Do you want ande menya antu bara bengi benda wakili na ndi ambiri otonya mukonejo awe kumuritira ngugi ate kugitaburia. And most clients bate kuira but most of them batenda kurea. Client unapata client atafika bei. Atafika bei lakini arenda mwa premium services. Na agusumbure na atafika bei. Sometimes it's no jedre kanoga trima manto jedha jejo jaire ungu kwira either wete otrimi a dishonest person kana nyawo we as a client ukedro nyawe ngote ko cooperate no gusumbura wakili ojo. Again I ask you because pale ni biashara. Umekuja wewe unanisumbua unipei pesa ufanyi naongena kweja ndamwitia mbecha cia we na kurita kesi we na kudingatira kesi u tugetwete court Kithongo na ingethro iri town. Weta court Kithongo wirwe choke ni tariki 6 August. Bwajaja town ni kubukera choke ni tariki 6 August. Urinde wakili ngatega diary ko mbuge ujo Kithongo huyu nilipa na hapa najua nitapata pesa. Urugo inangeta.
No ora kuruta no kathikire. Good. All right. Kwa hiyo itakwira antu maybe wareta kesi ko ndeskenia kwibwa ya ukathingatira
follow up. Yes, follow up na urapwere na wakili na ukagitaburia because kila mtu ako pale kusaidika.
All right. Kwa hiyo can you describe a time when you managed a difficult client? How did you handle the situation?
I think I can't get into very much detail again on the issues to client attorney-client confidentiality, but sometimes you find difficult clients. Difficult, very difficult. Areja winyaho anakupigia kelele. So yes, mwanka na kananya it's either akupigia kelele ama ukimuitisha pesa akupati. In most cases what I just do I apply kedri case uraikire wiki ya court. Sometimes you can put in an application to cease acting. Ugeta tu kera court mtuju akorema I can't proceed. And that is generally what I like to do. And to aku menyaba mwebeta watrima a difficult client tugena uri ongewe ndere bakugamba nwe na kweja kuona kwa mbesa here and there. So some of them bakavuga after all atanipeangi pesa akadhukia kesi here. I don't think that is good. Ethically I think. So sometimes kabagweta kedeja na court ugekira application to cease acting. That is really mwana weta mtu mwanka karega nya kweja ofisi. But some of them no betaga ukariabo. You find out what is going on kana natagukara. Why unda jaunina ndio unda realize inya after kwaria na we cannot reach a consensus. Sometimes inenkaire mtu file wetu namwambia by the way I think you should get your file. Kanankira mtu file we no kamu notify wamwira you will not be acting for them anymore. Na ugekira application na court to formally notify the court you have stopped acting for that client.
All right, bwega sana. Yo ruga culture ndeni ya culture yetu kana tiotamiru rutietigiritie anabari kwigwingwe twaritie ndugu last time but no chokere kairi rutietigiritie mwana wa mwari kwigwa kinenkagirwa kithakanithe nontu erekanaga kagurwa maybe mwana wa mwari akaperwa kithakanithe na agachoka kwa ithe akienda kithaka imakatagare mariko abatiri kuthukiria ithe akathitanga ithe kana natakarwa
ithe ari okana ateo
atiugite maybe tu assume areo
na gairite bange
antu arume lakini we muntu mwana mwari atigairite
sometimes no with the court but dispute is chanja if you want to still maintain relationship area buga kuthitanga bagu kotini is not the way to go.
Exactly.
So no worry and I'm sure ne dependaga na imbibi gucoketie mutiari okutita weja uri ona gukuretete kurago or something like that akwira choka na kuinga buruna gutwika ate kwa noge yako but akaja kwitha na gairite bangi na ugata kugaira and you don't want to have a relationship anymore going forward urenda tu bia kwake maybe you can go to court no kumenya gintu kimwe ntu batekuelewa ama gintu kimwe ntu bateleagwa no wete court na ukaona biro kwenda na ni lakini that relationship will be ruined kwa tweka butikoro aria kaire butikoro na agakwiga gwa kaigwa ngana na maruru no ntugo kumirio muthitanga so need mantu jamwe before weta court no bati kwithira uthithetie ukathugania ugasunku na nkoro eku ukona no kethwa we prepared for the consequences no ntugeta court na ukethwa wina right kwewa munda no ntu sheria guti mwana kiu no mugongo ke sheria mwana mwari no mwije
bondi
banganene so no etenara na kona no kana mwari uno etena kona lakini atano ngina baba ethe tuginya ngina kana ntu baubanja na nya wona mndo kara ukiri antu bati ukwenda is that a conducive environment tuge ore na nya na bakuo something again buga no tega ukona sometimes notega ukona consequences chanyo meria lakini okeja kwithira strictly speaking tukithingata sheria tu as it is of course you can go to court
okay court ina
no you can go to court bukagamba probably ukona mdajuria lakini after kujona what will you do probably the easiest thing ikethwa kwendiara ugura kungi wita kana gintu jakino ntu utiendelea gukararia na relationship ile ka ruined ikathuka
alright boy sana gwetigia ndio nankiro that chetu kuthira all the same notia thungira in details kirima ntu mama menda nambi but I think maybe tukiaragirimo kwande ni zaidi but boy no ntu bwa bana ba inambere kwaigwa bakiora biuri biago kiri mubango wetu tukirwe maybe kiri client baku na kiri antu bara abayaga maybe baretete magamba wako na surety iri kwe muba nenkagira kiri magambo marabaretete kiribu
number 1 te uniti jukagia igamba nkuona rete na nonto kwe mtokeja as much as ko babaja betunya kwe mtokeja etunya na
okay
so those ones
ayete gutunya
ejete gutunyonge kana wathikira ukisikiza uria kwaria ukadiscover mtojo kagutunyana I don't take those cases not like that assurance inge number 2 ikwithirwa oni ntekinyangira mtu igamba ryawe jankeja ku discover say a client is a difficult one ngukwiraga only the easiest and the my go to method either kumwita wa mwira ijira file ku kana ugekira an application to cease acting na recording number 3 ikwithirwa nka safeguard na kimero gokaria ngakaria interest ya client okwa number 1 the utmost importance kiriuni na nkeja ku discover for whatever reason ntomba kugitaburia interest yaku non to maybe either anko na nkiremerwa buga nontu bwambajwa kana mantu jange menya again hata wakili ni mtu whatever reason nikidiscover ntomba kugutetera like to the best of my ability unimbira client nakamwira if they are open no mwe referral nkamwira I know somebody uria ukugitaburia more than me mantu jaja maybe I can give you a referral I do that
na maybe baraba na cases tena chemenda na cases chento maybe womba kwokebera ata ruti mugaruka wakili
okay ja kwithura uri na case na is a genuine nyomeria and a genuine concern no bati guchwa mtu uria ukomba kugitaburia uria ukomba kuthingatira into biaku sometimes na imbije in most cases most clients wetoga tirima uria genuinely ugutunywa inyambeche cha kuthingata into bibi atinacho And now rempo mbako advice mtu jou either go nete kwa ombudsman, they can try follow that route, kana agachoinya wakili. Because I know, like for me, I do like a percentage ya pro bono cases. Utemenya kujukia chionde otekurewa, of course utapata nimefunga. But you can find an advocate uria umba kujukiria kesi ya ku pro bono agaguteithia. But in most cases wetoga trima mbuga people have a certain quota ya pro bono cases iria bajukagia nontu utemenya kuthithia chionde chechi otheri utafunga. The other thing is ugakua moyo. Wewe ukeja kwithwa wote na nyomera tayu. Na pia usikae sana. Nontu kwe umba gweta ugakira nyomera ku time menya kisheria kwe timelines cheda chejenwe. Kuumba gukira muno kiririte haki yaku timelines igagukuruka ugeta court na ndio kerwa hapo ulikuwa na kesi lakini ulichelewa.
Alright, wewe sana. Nwa were antu na bawa turaithite maybe kairi bichia kwina namba cha thimu omba mtu ambao kinyana cheki enda kuriviewia nkuruki mtu ambao kwari ni mitandaoni obanenkere kengo mundu toyu akamba ukinyana na njira embuthu.
Okay, kire uria ukethwa ri namo biuria kana kwenda kuria ukwenda more information gukonia mantu jaja twariria narua thimu yakwa ni 0729 049 262 nchokeria kaire 0729049262 thimu iwa miringa igatonya watuma message nitapata watuma WhatsApp nitapata no kiri barabara Facebook no wete ugatega F Kaunyangi and Company Advocates tuna page na area you can interact with us there. You can even send us an email. No, tumira email kiri fkaunyangiadvocates@gmail.com.
All right. Which location?
Yes, location ni otochokeria kaire Think Toys building area town. Kiri uriote kumea Think Toys arere nyombere twereri uchumi thaye Think Magunas. Nyombere twereri uchumi ere opposite ni street ewe gweta kumira kwa Ken Silva na Rabwande ukona Think Toys. Wakinya ugutonya Think Toys utiura amenyake ukinya entrance Think Toys ugatirima signage igakureta monka second floor office-ine.
Yes.
Ukeja ugatutirima tukagutethia uria utikinya mutindwa kana rindere bwa tigania mawa ou wejete no ukinyire ndia ukirindine directly opposite gate ya court ugatirima F Kaunyangi and Company Advocates hapo pia ugatutirima tutakuhudumia.
All right, bwega sana. Thank you very much for coming. Na ibwega no ntubutu inambere kwa tukinya maybe migambo ya muthia tukirekire mubango.
Thank you very much for having me. I think nyomereje next time maybe we can have specific questions kana non to toria generalized questions mwenyewe tirimande kwera again it depends needing na circumstances so together twena maybe a specific question kana a specific thing to kwariria about manto jamunda non to kwena very many things to kwariria for example kweginto gita compulsory acquisition okay there are ndajwa ku thirikari ni kwenda kuleta njira area bakeja bakauga babende ibaje ne munda kunganona kana into jabiu compulsory acquisition ira thirikari jukagia gintu ya kukora rasma kende tumira nontu bawega bomwingi na what happens na ukethira into bya kubya jukwa nure agwa atia maybe you can do that kwa gintu kingi gitawa adverse possession mtu no atonye mndene jwaku ukamukirira miaka 12 thiro menye mundajura jukajwawe again 12 umukiririte utemwinga utemwikia court kukiritwo mwete metho no te omuria naga miaka 12 kithira no ete court na kaewa mundaju jukajwawe again that is something we can talk about it's a topic on its own and I think to the research from your viewers or find out the most pressing thing kenda nande tugana nde bibi tukwariria specifically kethiri mantu ja succession otherwise eje ngio jo
bwega lakini no ya mundi bora tukwenda interact kidogo na abikire bere twego maybe tanyamo twake kidogo ba tubena tu na ingwitigia next time tukaigwa tu ina tukithonga actually ndeni kidogo kire mantu makona lad batubambwire no ntwe mundi twari tonga twiguru kidogo kidogo but I think kinyaku okwina mbere kwegitetheka murithiria wa Meru TV. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for having me. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate. Na kinyago murithiria wa Meru TV tuwacokere nkatho chimwanya ndo kwa wiki onini TV yaku kumare twambere mwanga kagitaniaka na kumakiritio kirego twakwendera ntugo embera.